Our synthetic grass is the perfect choice for eco-friendly homeowners and businesses who want to make a difference in the environment. Our artificial grass offers a range of benefits that help reduce carbon emissions and conserve natural resources. Artificial grass requires no watering or mowing, meaning you won't have to worry about wasting water or using gas-powered lawn mowers. Plus, you'll never have to worry about fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides damaging your lawn or the environment. Artificial grass is a cost-effective solution that requires little maintenance, so you can save money on water bills, lawn care services, and more. Plus, you'll be able to enjoy your outdoor living space without having to spend hours every week tending to it. We believe in creating a greener future for everyone by providing eco-friendly solutions that help reduce carbon emissions and conserve natural resources. With our artificial grass products, you can do your part in making the world a better place. Request your free quote. Visit our website